we have come up with the idea of a mini secretariat. It would start as a mini secretariat, but ultimately it would be a winter capital. And our Chief Minister has already declared that we have already received the fund. There is a fund of 170 crore. A huge amount has been sanctioned for this project. So, if we have the winter capital here, it will be easier for the people of Garvis to have their works done, for which they have to go to Ceylon. It is not that we are cutting off from Ceylon, but it's just that 6 months the office will be run from Garvis. 6 months it will be run from Ceylon. So it was a very balanced idea, and it should have been fulfilled actually. It should have been fulfilled, and that is why the civil societies, the NGOs and the people are coming together to demand that the winter capital should be materialized.
Habaka kapital hi kadai hasilong hakajing song jonga kabut ka kapital kadai bandai hang tai tin re ngam tip per kai kajing thu jong o Dr. Mukul buan rai ta ka winter capital kai ka ta kajing thu ngam tip nama kam na shai hanga ngam pat dai i bhai kajing kren jong o tin re ban pelong nong ba alai teli ngam soyam re ka ban promote pat ban penroi pat ban penhe ya ka district lani ya ka headquarter kum Tura ban pen wanra sibun ke development ni kata kadai ka kamram jama sarkar ni ka kamram jong inomi khamat ban raise that voice kadai ka ngikwa hi baro ki headquarter jong ki district ki ban long equivalent buat ka Shillong kata hi kadai ka jing angnut jong ki pat ba tin re ya kata ka winter capital ngam da su thu ba kamut ayu tin re ka capital ni ka nong ba ai te ka don takawai